Hey guys, in this video, I want to be explaining to us, I want to be teaching us how to install a Forex trading robot on your PC. Now, I've done a video like this in the past, but I think it's been 2 years ago and it wasn't really comprehensive. But in this video, I'll make sure I explain it step by step that even a layman would understand. So, straight to it, the first thing you need is to have your MT4 or MT5 on your PC. And how can you get that? If you follow my mouse, you see I have MT5 here. I have MT5 from Deriv. I have MT4 from XNext, MT5 from XNext. So you can download the MT4, the MT5 software from your broker. So just go on your broker. Let's go now, broker. I don't want this video to be too long. You can go on your broker, maybe XNext. Let's use XNext for an example. Let's use XNext for an example. XNext, you click xnext.com, then let's see what happens. Then you scroll down. I think there's a part where you should see, okay, here, where's the platforms? As you can see, platforms. Follow my mouse, MT5, MT4. So anyone you want to download, just click from here, you download. So you can download from your brokerage firm. That has been established. So now let's go back. So once you have it on your PC, the next thing to do is get a bot. So if peradventure you're buying from somebody and the person sends you the file and all that, so you just have to download the file. You find the file on your download folder, or if you're on Telegram, if you check on my Telegram channel, I posted a bot. As you can see, this is SpiritFX AI bots and all that. Check the comment section for file. Now this is the file. All right, SpiritFX zigzag chat pattern MT5 test version EX5. Now, this is another way to know if the bot you are actually getting is a MetaTrader 4 or a MetaTrader 5. At the end of the name, you will see EX5. If it is a MetaTrader 4, you see EX4. So that's how to know, because you might want to ask, okay, so how are we going to know that, okay, this bot is an MT4 and MT5? Because an MT5 bot will not work on an MT4 platform, and an MT4 bot will not work on an MT5 platform. That has been established. So let's say, for instance, this is the bot. You click and you let me should I click open, or let me download or save as? Okay, save as SpiritFX Snapperboard version. You click save. So right now, when you go on your folder, definitely you would see on downloads, you will see what you just downloaded, which is SpiritFX chat pattern test version. This is it. This is what you just downloaded. Okay, so that has also been established. Now, also to know if the bot is MT4 and MT5. MT4, if you check this icon here, it's showing like a paper icon. MT4 shows this icon and MT5 shows this other icon. I don't know if it depends on your PC that you are using. Oh, that is also another way to know if it's an MT4 and an MT5 bot. All right. Now, also a bot can also come in this format where you see the 5 here showing at the icon and the 4 here showing on the icon. But most people will not send you this format. Most people will not send you. This is the MQ4 format. This is the MQ5 format. Now, this format, if you have this format, you can edit the bot. You can open the bot. You see all the O codes, everything the person using creating the bot, the strategy and everything. You can even alter it. You can change it and resell it and use it for yourself. But if the person sends you an EX format, you cannot edit the bot. You cannot edit, you cannot even find the codes. You can only just make use of the bot. So always expect to see bots that come with EX4 or EX5 version. Okay, that has also been established. Now, what you want to do now is go on your MetaTrader. Let's go on our MetaTrader. Let's use a MetaTrader 5. Okay, this is a MetaTrader 5, and you can see the bot is actually working here. This is a demo account, as you can see, XNext trial 10 demo, zigzag chart pattern. This is the bot, and it's the one that has been picking this trade, as you can see. It's because this is a demo account, that's why you see I'm using a 5 lot size. So please, let's just be aware. All right, so let's close this. Let's also close this. All right, so now our chart is open. So what you want to do now is click file. You've opened your MetaTrader 5, right? Now you want to install the bot. When you open MetaTrader 5, you see something like this. Just look for file at the top, click file, then you click open data folder, then you click MQL5, double tap it, you click expert advisor. As you can see, my bot is here, SpiritFX chart pattern bot. That is what you are seeing here. So let me remove it, delete. Let me close all this. And I'll come down to here that you see this advisor file here. Right click and refresh. You see that the bot will not be here anymore. As you can see, the bot is not here. Expert advisor, the bot is not here. But yes, it's still on this chart because it was already installed here. So it will not remove from the chart except I close this um XAUSD now. Let me close this XAUSD now. And let me bring back XAUSD from this my market symbol. Let's bring it back. XAUSD from market symbol chart. You will see that you will not find the bot there again. Let me change my template to my normal. So you can do your template anyhow you want to do it. This is my template. So as you can see, there's no bot showing here anymore. So what do we want to do now? We want to add the bot. So let's go back to file. You click file, you click open data folder, you click MQL5, you click experts, you click advisor. Now there's no bot here. Sometimes if you just installed MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 and you come here, you see tons of bots that MT5 or MT4 has given to you free of charge, but delete them because 99 all of them don't work. You will not get any value. So delete all of them. Then come to downloads because definitely you downloaded this SpiritFX is that chart pattern MT5 test version from my Telegram group, or probably maybe the person send it to you through any format at all, but make sure you open it from your PC. Do you get? Because it will not work on your device. On your device, it will be showing unsupported formats. Do you understand? So this is the board. So what you want to do now is right click, then copy. I've copied it, right? Then click back. Now you are back to your advisor, as you can see. Right click again and paste it. That's just it. Then cancel. Then come here to this expert advisor, right click and click refresh. You see that it will appear. Look at it here, it has appeared. So how can I now install this bot on my XAUUSD chart? Now, what I want to do is I will just double click it. Once you double click it, you see information. As you can see, copyright, SpiritFX, click input. All right, lot size 0.01, stop loss 300. 300 for XAUSD stand for 30. 600 for XAUSD stand for 60. That means 30 pips stop loss, 60 pips take profit. 150 break even points is stand for 15. So that's how is it XAUUSD, BTC USD, those high volatility currencies are calculated in steps. It's different from normal currency pairs. Normal currency pairs, you will see, let's say for instance, you get this bot and you want to try it on normal currency pair. Please do change the 300 to 30 and the 600 to 60. You can change it to whatever you want, any stop loss you want to use. But if you are going to be using it for XAUSD and you want to change this stop loss, which is 300, maybe it's too big for you, you can, and you want to use 10 pips, that 10 should be 100. I don't know if you understand now. If you're using it for BTC USD, instead of this 300 is 30,000, and this 600 is 60,000, this 150 is 15,000, and this 100 is 10,000. That's how it is. And I've seen it in almost all the bots. But if you are using it for normal currency pairs, just come and put the normal thing 30 pips, 60 pips, 15 pips, 10 pips. I hope that is clear. All right. I hope that is clear. I think I should have added the description um on this part here, but no problem. I've explained that, but most of the time you will just see your take profit, stop loss, and you can edit it to whatever you want to edit it to. Now that's that. And as you can see, it is already showing, oh, I didn't approve it. Let's go back again, double click it, then click OK. So as you can see, SpiritFX zigzag chart pattern bot test version is here. And this graduation cap, always watch it. This graduation cap is showing blue. Why it's showing blue is because of algo trading is turned on. If I turn it off, you would see that this graduation cap is showing white. So basically, you can have your bot inserted on your chart and notice it's not taking trade, and you think maybe you've bought fake thing or they've scammed you. No, they have not scammed you. It's because your algo trading is not turned on. When you turn it on, you see that the graduation cap will turn blue. Now, sometimes algo trading can be turned on and you put a bot and the cap is showing white. Just reinstall the bot again. It happens like that sometimes. Reinstall the bot again. Come back here again and make sure algo trading is turned on and reinstall the bot. Like double tap it and click yes and go back to common. Make sure this allow algo trading is turned on, is checked. Like is checked. Then come to inputs, change anything you want to change. The ones that you don't have to change, most things that you need to change in a bot is just the take profit, stop loss, and lot size, and probably maybe if they give you break even point. But any other figure don't change, like this magic number and all the me. I was one that actually made I wrote don't change figure because some people this is the strategy that I use in creating this bot. This three here, 1253. So some people they just don't want to touch, and they'll scatter it and they'll tell you, oh, your bot does not work, your bot does not work. Do you understand? So the most important thing you need to change in a bot is just the take profit, stop loss, lot size, and maybe if they are break even. Some bots don't come with break even and all that. It's just basically lot size, take profit, and stop loss. All right. So you click OK. Once you do it again, you will see that the graduation cap will turn blue. That is that. Now, what you do for XAUSD is the same thing you do for BTC USD, it's the same thing you do for US 30, it's the same thing you do for US oil and any other currency pair you want to do. So just carry the chart from your market watch here. If you cannot find the chart on your market watch here, you can click to add, then maybe write the name. Let's say USD. You will see that you start bringing the names out. JP, you see it, you bring it out. It does like this for MT5, but in some cases in MT4 it doesn't do like this. Then if you happen to find yourself in that situation, come to this market watch, right click, come to this part where it says symbols, tap it. So then now you can now see forex indicators, crypto cross, energies, forex. When you click forex, it will bring out the options. So just find the one that you need. You see these ones that are here now are the ones that I've checked. So just come here. Okay, let's say I want to add euro, Canadian dollar. Just tap it, double tap it. Make sure it shows this yellow whatever. It has added like that to this market watch. So that's how you can also add in case you can't find here. I'm trying to make sure this video touches every corner. So make sure that in all the charts that you open, you carry the bot and install on the chart and make sure the graduation cap is turned on. That is all you need. Your bot will be working. Now, mind you, your PC must be on every single day, 24 hours a day, and it must be connected to the internet. Your PC must be on and must be connected to the internet. So that's a little downside of robots. But there's a solution to that, and that's what we call VPS. That's what we call VPS. Now, if you on your MetaTrader, you will see what we call, look at my mouse, follow this my mouse here. You see VPS. Once you tap VPS here, you see you can buy VPS. Buy VPS for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. Okay. So if I click 1 month right now, it say please log in with your MQF5 community account. Now, many of you may not have a community account. So you can come here. If you see this here now, this is a a a profile head, or you can just click login. Then let's just click this profile head here, this profile whatever showing. Now login. So if you don't have an account, just come here and create an account. It's simple, sharp, sharp. So boost your trading, whatever, register, follow this process. A password will be sent to your email. Follow this process and you create an account for yourself. Then once you've logged in, you can now pay. Just buy 1 month. Now, what is a VPS? What VPS does for you is it gives you a virtual PC. Now, MQF5 are the ones that will give you a virtual PC. Once you connect your VPS to this account, now if you come down here, you will see it. You see this place that is showing VPS. Now, if I click open, there's nothing here. But if there's something here now, you would see that I have a VPS here. So that's that. I wish I can buy a VPS and walk you guys through on how it works, because sometimes it can be funny. It can be funny because you can have a VPS here and you think, okay, I have connected it to all this my chats. You understand, or to this account itself, because you can't use one VPS is for one account. This MT5 right now is for one account, which is this is the account name here, 811604844 trial. So it doesn't mean now if I now want to maybe use a real account for my VPS, I can come on that VPS. Once you click it, you can log out this account, okay, and log in another account. So it's just one account that can be on one VPS. You can't use this VPS right now that you're using for an XNES trial and use it for another real account. That means two accounts in one VPS. It doesn't work like that. So you must have to remove one to add one. So this might be difficult, but let's just um I'll walk you guys through step by step. Maybe I'll do another video explaining better on VPS, but this video is basically for installing a robot on your PC. All right, guys. So if there's any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Okay. So thank you very much.